Aloha. My shower head was looking something like this and the water pressure was very low. I disassembled the shower head and I saw the holes was clogged with limescale and there was a few big chunk of limescale. I put the shower head in a glass with vinegar and I put the two biggest limescale too. The biggest limescale was about 15 mm long and 2 mm thick. I was very curious in how much time will the vinegar dissolve these big chunk of limescale. After I drop in the vinegar, the two big chunk of limescale in 2 seconds started the chemical reaction. I will put on fast forward the video and you can see how they're moving in the glass. You can see the chemical reaction, the bubbles. This is after 30 minutes. This is after 2 hours, the two big chunk of limescale are almost dissolved. So in 3.5 hours the big chunk of limescale are dissolved. This is how the lazy people like myself clean their shower head. That's it, I can enjoy again the shower. Thanks for watching, don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time, goodbye.